Hi guys, welcome in Knowledge Kida. Let's see how to rotate image in this video. So first we will create Python file cv underscore rotate.py. Import OpenCV package, that is cv2. So read image which you want to rotate. We learned this in previous videos, how to read image. img is equal to cv2 dot imread and path of image. I kept in media folder, so media. Then we have two functions to rotate image. First is get rotation matrix 2D. Get rotation matrix 2D and warp affine function. Get rotation matrix 2D function makes transformation matrix which will be used for rotating image. In this, need to provide center, angle and scale. Warp affine function applies transformation to image. The function that will transform, then warp affine apply that transformation to the image. It need to provide image that we are reading and transformation matrix. Suppose we will write as m and width and height of image as one parameter, like that. Now height or width as and image dot shape. First two parameter of image dot shape are height and width, so that we are using this. We learned this in previous video. So we will calculate center is equal to width by 2 comma height by 2, and we will give angle as 90 degree and the scale as 1. So let's apply function m is equal to cv2 dot get rotation matrix 2D. Let's pass center, then angle and scale, and we will now rotate is equal to cv2 dot warp affine function that will apply transformation. So image, then matrix, and then width and height. So that will rotate. So now show image function. Write cv2 dot im show. First parameter of it is tab name. Let's give knowledge Kida. And second parameter is image rotate, that we are storing transformed image. Then cv2 dot wait key. We learned all the things in previous videos. Let's run the program. cv underscore rotate dot py. See, that is rotated in 90 degrees. If I give minus 90, Oh, I made mistake. CL destroy. DSTROY. All windows. Let's again run. That is rotated as minus 90. Let's try with 180 degree. See, you can try multiple options. Change scale, change center, width and height. Like that you can explore. In this way we can rotate image. So you learned today how to rotate image using OpenCV. Let's meet in next video with new topic. Thank you.